What is going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. It may not surprise you to learn that when marketing or branding your business, looks mean everything. A whopping 93% of consumers will place visual appearance and color over all other factors when shopping. When it comes to the psychology of color as it relates to persuasion is one of the most interesting, as well as the most controversial aspects of branding and marketing. So, what is color psychology? Color psychology is the study of how colors affect perceptions and behaviors. When it comes to marketing and branding, color psychology is mainly focused on how colors impact the consumer's impressions of a brand and whether or not they persuade the consumers to consider a specific brand or actually make a purchase. It's an important field of study to consider when you are creating marketing assets, building a new business, or rebranding an existing one. Researchers came to the conclusion that found up to 90% of snap judgments made about products can be based on color alone. For example, green means calm. Sometimes green is used to brand environmental issues, products like 7th generation, but at other times it's meant to brand financial spaces, such as NerdWallet. How about the color brown may be useful for a rugged appeal? See how it's used by Saddleback Leather. When positioned in another context, the color brown can be used to create a warm, inviting feeling such as Thanksgiving or to stir your appetite like every chocolate commercial you've ever seen. So, when it comes to color psychology in marketing and branding, everyone's trying to figure out what is the right color scheme for their product or brand. The frustrating answer, but it's the feeling, mood, and image that your brand or product creates that matters. Marketing clothing with color psychology. To influence consumer behavior in clothing, marketing campaigns often leverage color psychology to this as well. For instance, a summer collection might use bright, sunny colors like yellow and orange to evoke feelings of warmth and happiness. What color is best for marketing? Subtle colors like green, orange, and blue can be a great color to draw attention to your call to action. You may have noticed a lot of marketing companies use orange as a primary brand color. Color psychology in marketing and branding boils down to this: targeting specific emotions, creating brand recognition, and influencing purchasing decisions. Please make sure you check out the links in the description below pertaining to free brand building guide and the psychology of art and colors free online course. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams online certification courses. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any trending certification courses you may want to pick up, and comment below done and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well that's floating around right here, and always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams and I'm out.